Are you still drowning in manual audit testing, endless document verification, and copy-pasting data into Excel? What if an AI agent could do the heavy lifting for you, directly inside your spreadsheets, while you just review and approve the results? Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're taking an honest look at DataSnipper, an AI-powered platform designed specifically for audit and finance teams. If you've been looking for a way to close the gap between the massive volume of financial data you need to verify and the actual time your team has to do it, this tool might be exactly what you need. DataSnipper brands itself as the agentic platform for audit and finance. Instead of forcing you to learn a completely new, complicated software, it brings AI agents right into your existing Excel workflows. These agents are designed to automate repetitive, mundane tasks, like royalty calculations, revenue testing, test of details, and internal controls testing. According to their platform, clients like FGMK and Walker & Dunlop have seen up to an 85% time savings in high-volume testing and validated thousands of data points across source documents automatically. But how does it actually work? Essentially, you instruct the DataSnipper agent to run your specific workflow. The AI does the legwork of analyzing the documents and tracing the evidence, and you stay in the loop to review the output and make the final call. It's built to support everything from external and internal audits to tax procedures and financial control. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room: data security. When you're dealing with sensitive financial documents, you can't just upload them to any random AI. DataSnipper addresses this head-on. They are SOC 2 compliant, use strong encryption, and explicitly state they do not train their AI models on your data. Plus, your prompts and documents are automatically deleted after 24 hours, which is a massive win for strict compliance standards. For our honest review, we have to point out that independent third-party user reviews are limited in our current database, so we can't give you a broad community consensus just yet. However, the tool is already trusted by all of the top 100 accounting firms and major Fortune 500 companies, which speaks volumes about its enterprise reliability. One thing to keep in mind is that pricing isn't publicly listed on their website. You'll need to book a demo to get a custom quote for your team. So is DataSnipper the best AI audit automation tool for you? If you are an audit, tax, or finance professional looking to eliminate manual data entry and speed up document reviews by up to 90%, it is absolutely worth checking out. Head over to datasnipper.com to book a demo and see their AI agents in action. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more honest AI tool reviews, and let me know in the comments. Would you trust an AI agent to help with your audits? See you in the next video.